To make this marbled Christmas cake, all you need is your colored batter. For me, what I did was to prepare my yummy, delicious vanilla cake, and then I scooped into three separate bowls and colored, one in green, red, and the other one is plain. So we already have our lined prepared pan, and we are going to start immediately. I have my piping bags with me, so I'm going to put each batter in a separate piping bag. Okay, now if you want this recipe, you'll find it in our description box. I'm going to include the recipe there. So all you need to do is to fill your piping bags with your batter. All right, okay, so this is enough. All right, so I'm going to just put this gently. I can actually do this directly, but I want it to have a definite formation. All right, I'm going to add our red batter now into our piping bag. You can see how it is in the pan. We're putting them in layers. Okay, we're now adding the red. You see, when you use your piping bag, it helps you go in and apply it in an organized way. Okay, but if you don't have this patience, just go ahead and use your scooping spoon. Okay, it will still give you the same result. And lastly, we're going to drop some touch of green on the red. Okay, just like that, not so much of it. And then lastly, I'll fill it up. Okay, our pan is filled with our three color batter, and we just added another red batter to the green. So I'm going to use my skewer to play around it randomly. Okay, now you have to be careful. Sometimes when you have a blend of two different colors, it could give you a different interpretation. Okay, so our batter is ready to go into the oven to bake for 30 to 45 minutes at 150-degree temperature. As you can see, our cake is out of the oven. From the top, you can see it's already looking Christmas. I'm anxious to see the inside. So we're going to bring it out of the pan. It has cooled a bit, and then cut it open to see what the inside looks like. Wow. Wow, can you see that? Wow, this looks nice. So you can try this at home. And wow, you can already see the Christmas effect, the red, the green with the plain color complementing each other. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this at home. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your beautiful and encouraging comments. I so much appreciate them. And please don't forget to continue to like, share, and comment. Drop your comments so that we can improve on what we are doing so far. I want to also encourage you to turn on your notification buttons so that you get notified as soon as we drop any new video. This really tastes nice. I hope you try it at home. Compliment of the season. Merry Christmas in advance, and hope to see you soon.